Hey everyone, Infinity Calcs here, and today I'll be showing you how to delete an unwanted line in your graphing calculator program. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to go to Program and slide over to Edit, and let's edit this factor program. So on this factor program, on the third line, I've accidentally created a new line that I don't need. So in order to get rid of that third line, what you want to do is go to the previous line, so in this case that's the second one, and go to the end of whatever is written on that line. And all you want to do is hit the delete button here at the top, and boom, the following line that you don't want will be deleted. So again, that's how to delete an unwanted line in a program for a graphing calculator. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe. Thanks everyone.